Hello everybody, welcome to Womble's Hive. It's Archie's Christmas countdown and we're already up to day 10. Would you even believe? Absolutely crazy. The month is just rushing by. Ooh. So we're looking for number 10 and it's cranberry. So what colour do we think that's going to be? There she is. Pop these away. Only 2 more before we're on the next packet. How mental is that, guys? Right, before we open this beautiful purple packet, let's have a look at sugar cookies, which is a gorgeous yellow gold colour and not quite as shiny as Nordic and ribbon, but a nice shine and shimmer to it as you flick the paper about in the light. So I do think that would be pretty awesome to add a little bit of embellishment to. We've got stripy washi tape to add embellishment to like a sunrise. I do think that would be a good colour. I feel like you get a little bit more yellow in the sunset colours, but that is a nice cool morning sunrise colour. So did anybody ever guess what colour cranberry is going to be? I'm going with red. Ooh, I'm slightly off. It's like a puce colour. Look at that. A little bit purpley pink. So let's wiggle this about with some water and see. Looks like it's got some silvery iridescence in it to go with the magenta pink. Not magenta, crimson pink. I'm going to say crimson pink because it's a lot deeper than magenta. Magenta's that lovely bright pink that you get. Right, let's just move the water up and the colour down. Oh, that's a nice colour. Look at that gorgeous colour. What's everybody's favourite so far? I'm still stuck with the Nordic. I'm not really a pink person, so I can't see this one taking over. But I do like that beautiful sea green with the shimmer silver in it. Oops, running out just before the end. There we go. And that is a lovely colour. So this one is cranberry. It's definitely looking like it's got a pinky silver sheen to it from where I am. But that is the colour of it, which is like a deep pucey pink. And you can probably see in the tooth of the paper the actual shimmer there. But as always, I will show you tomorrow. But that is a nice colour. I prefer this one to the poinsettia, to be fair. So yeah, we've got some nice colours so far. That's 10 of them already, people. Oh, goodness gracious me, it's whizzing away. It'll soon be 2025. Absolutely mental. Right. If this colour didn't do it for you, because I know a lot of people do like the pinks, do find something else that makes you smile. And as always, guys, be happy.